Ovation to the Honorable Director and welcome with a round of applause, please. All of you, let us welcome the Honorable Director on this event. Thank you, sir. You please join us on stage. Thank you, all students. You may please take your seats. Good evening to you all. We have assembled here to take the Swachhata pledge and dedicate ourselves to the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. As you all know, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on 2nd October 2014, the 145th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister called upon every citizen of this country to join hands to achieve the ultimate goal of Clean India by October 2nd, 2019. A Clean India is the best tribute we can pay to Bapu when we celebrate his 150th birth anniversary in the year 2019. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to encourage people from all walks of life to devote some hours out of their daily activities and work towards cleanliness of India. In order to realize our collective dream of a clean India and sanitized India, the MHRD, in collaboration with the Ministry of Urban Development, has launched a national student engagement campaign to make all students an active stakeholder in making India clean. I would like to believe that the students of NIT Kurukshetra will be next to none in actively engaging themselves and therefore contribute towards this national cause. Can I believe so? Thank you. This pledge taking ceremony is the first activity we are beginning with today. This will be followed by cleanliness drive which has been planned on Saturday along the road stretch starting from CCN towards Library and Jubilee Hall up to the end of that road on Saturday at around 11 o'clock in the morning. So I would invite you all to take active part in that drive and assemble at CCN at 11 o'clock on Saturday. Also, Swachhata Ambassador Committee, SAC, of students and teachers is to be set up for overseeing and monitoring the cleanliness and hygiene status of the institute. The committee is expected to register on mygov.in, the website which has been informed, and upload pictures of its monthly cleanliness activities being conducted or carried out in the institute campus. I would appreciate if someone of you volunteer, some of the students volunteer for this committee, and such self-motivated volunteers may please contact the Dean office tomorrow at the per convenience. As and when you are free, I'll be there in the office, so you can give your names there. The committee is to be formed tomorrow itself, by tomorrow. Besides this, every student can, and of course I wish should, register individually on mygov.in and be an individual campaigner. You can showcase your cleaning activities through before and after pictures uploaded on the website of any activities that you undertake in the institute premises, in your surroundings, in the hostel or in the institute area, wherever. After the pledge today, you would also be required to mark your attendance as a token of having taken the pledge. The attendance pro forma would be made available to you in your respective hostels. So after you taken the pledge here and go back to your hostels, you may please mark your attendance in that pro forma as a token of that you have taken the pledge. With this information, once again, I call upon you to actively involve, engage yourself, and collectively let us all contribute towards making the dream of Swachh Bharat a reality. If you put in small effort today, you will see that certainly the country is cleaner than yesterday. So any small effort today you'll find the difference, vis-a-vis yesterday. May I now invite the Honorable Director of the Institute, Professor Anand Mohan, to kindly administer the Swachhta pledge to all of us. The pledge will be administered first in Hindi and then in English. I request you all to please rise in your place and take the posture for the pledge. You will repeat after the Honorable Director, sir. So may I request you all to please take the position for that. May I kindly request.
आज के इस स्वच्छता प्लेज में उपस्थित हमारे समस्त अधिष्ठातागण, विभागाध्यक्षगण, साथी अध्यापकगण, अधिकारीगण और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हमारे संस्थान के प्रिय छात्रों, इस स्वच्छता प्लेज की महत्वपूर्ण बातें आपके समक्ष डीन स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर प्रोफेसर स्वतंत्र ने रखी हैं। और जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि हमारा स्वच्छता प्लेज के पीछे जो उद्देश्य है वो यही है कि स्वच्छ भारत स्वस्थ भारत। हमारे दूरदर्शी राष्ट्रप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री परम आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने शायद इस अभियान को प्रारंभ करके में और स्वच्छता के साथ साथ स्वस्थ बनाने में एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण मार्गदर्शन दिया है। अतः हम आह्वान करते हैं आप सभी का कि हम सब मिलके इस राष्ट्र की मुख्य धारा से जुड़ें और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के देश के स्वस्थ होने, स्वच्छ होने के सपने को पूरा करने में अपना संपूर्ण योगदान दें। साथियों, अब मैं आपके समक्ष स्वच्छता प्लेज पढ़ूंगा और आपसे निवेदन है कि आप हमारे साथ साथ इसको पहले हिंदी में और फिर अंग्रेजी भाषा में दोहराएंगे। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि स्वयं स्वच्छता के प्रति सजग रहूंगा और उसके लिए समय दूंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि हर सप्ताह 2 घंटे श्रमदान करके स्वच्छता के इस संकल्प को चरितार्थ करूंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं न गंदगी करूंगा, न किसी और को करने दूंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि सबसे पहले मैं स्वयं से, मेरे परिवार से, मेरे मोहल्ले से, मेरे शहर से एवं मेरे विद्यालय से शुरुआत करूंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं शहर शहर और गली गली स्वच्छ भारत मिशन का प्रयास करूंगा। प्रचार करूंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं स्वच्छता शपथ अन्य 100 व्यक्तियों से भी करवाऊंगा। मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि स्वच्छता की तरफ बढ़ाया गया मेरा कदम पूरे भारत देश को स्वच्छ बनाने में मदद करेगा। जय स्वच्छ भारत, जय हिंद। साथियों, मैं अंग्रेजी में इसी स्वच्छता प्लेज को कहूँगा। कृपया शांति बनाए रखें और मेरे साथ इंग्लिश में प्लेज बोलेंगे। I take the pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time to clean India. I pledge to devote 2 hours per week to voluntary work for cleanliness. I pledge to neither litter nor let others litter. I pledge to initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my city, and my school. I pledge to propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in cities, villages, and towns. I pledge to encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge which I am taking today. I pledge to take every step in making my country clean. Jai Swachh India, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This was the program for the day. And now I would like to thank the Honorable Director, sir, for sparing time and being there with us. My sincere thanks to all the deans, heads of the departments, faculty members, other officials of the institute, and most of all, the students who have turned out to be here in such a huge number. Thank you all very much, and I look forward to your presence on Saturday at 11 o'clock at CCN. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Hence, as a token of having taken
हेलो गाइस, प्लीज साइलेंट। कुछ इन्फॉर्म करना था आपको। यहाँ जुबली हॉल में एक्स IAS ऑफिसर आए हुए हैं, मिस्टर कैसर हफीज, और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सेमिनार हो रहा है।